struggling with subtraction, whether it's solving tricky problems for the 11 Plus exam or simply figuring out how much change you should get at the shop, subtraction is everywhere. But don't worry, we're here to make it easy and fun. Hi and welcome to Avidator. Today we'll tackle subtraction together, step by step, so you can solve problems confidently. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon for more helpful maths lessons and tips to ace your 11 Plus exam. Ready to subtract the stress? Let's dive in. Let's begin with the basics. Subtraction is the process of taking one number away from another to find the difference. For example, if you have 7 cupcakes and eat 3, you subtract 3 from 7, leaving 4 cupcakes. Simple, right? Try this one. What is 9 minus 5? Got it? The answer is 4. Great work. Now, let's solve larger subtraction problems. How do we subtract 52 from 74? We'll take it step by step. Start with the units column. 4 minus 2 equals 2. Move to the tens column. 7 minus 5 equals 2. So 74 minus 52 equals 22. But what happens if the top digit is smaller than the bottom digit? That's when borrowing comes in. Let's solve 31 minus 16. Since 1 is smaller than 6, borrow 1 from the tens column. The tens column becomes 2, and the units column becomes 11. Now subtract. 11 minus 6 equals 5, and 2 minus 1 equals 1. So 31 minus 16 equals 15. See, borrowing makes it simple. Subtraction isn't just for exams. You use it every day. Let's say you have £10 and spend £4 on snacks. Subtracting 4 from 10 leaves you with £6. Easy, right? Here's a fun one. A shopkeeper starts with 50 cupcakes and sells 23. How many are left? Let's work it out. Subtract 3 from 0. Since you can't do that, borrow 1 from the tens column. Now subtract. 10 minus 3 equals 7, and 4 minus 2 equals 2. The answer is 27 cupcakes remain. Want to subtract faster? Here's a simple trick. Break numbers into smaller parts. For example, to subtract 47 from 82, break it down like this. Subtract 40 from 82 to get 42. Then subtract 7 from 42 to get 35. Breaking numbers apart makes subtraction quicker and easier. Now it's your turn. Grab a pen and paper and try these. What is 18 minus 9? Subtract 34 from 56. What is 103 minus 48? Take your time and pause the video if you need to. Let's check. 80 minus 9 equals 9. 56 minus 34 equals 22. 103 minus 48 equals 55. Well done if you got them right. Keep practicing and you'll get even better. That's it for today. Thanks for joining us on Avidator. Subtraction is an important skill, and the more you practice, the easier it will get. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon for more lessons to help you ace your 11 Plus exam. Next time, we'll dive into multiplication. Until then, happy subtracting!